Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Person, Mr. Dr. Andi Kaharudin SIPM Home, as a lecturer of Phonetics and Phonology in the class of PBIA for academic year 2024-2025. Excuse me, sir, I'm Firkona Jayala with student ID number 204000124 and 006. And tonight I would like to explain about my answer about assignment 10, the articulation of English sound, suprasegmental sounds. First question, to the best of your knowledge, is having good pronunciation important in English? And why? Explain your position with reasons and support your answer using at least one theory. You may cite the theory from other sources. And my answer, yes, having good pronunciation is very important in English because it helps in delivering clear and effective communication. According to Dr. Kaharudin et al., pronunciation is one of the key components in oral communication, along with vocabulary and grammar. When pronunciation is poor, it can lead to misunderstanding, even when the grammar and vocabulary are correct. Based on the communicative competence theory by Dale Himes, pronunciation contributes to the communicative competence that allow learners to interact successfully in real-life situations. Therefore, good pronunciation supports both intelligibility and fluency. Second question, in relation to the question first, what should learners of English do in order to have good pronunciation? Explain your answer in detail and support with a theory as well. To have good pronunciation, learners should practice regularly and focus on both segmental, individual sounds, and suprasegmental like stress, intonation, and rhythm. Features, Dr. Kaharudin emphasized the importance of phonetics training using listening and repetition exercise. Students are encouraged to imitate native speakers, use phonetic transcription or EPA, and practice minimal pairs to distinguish similar sounds. Additionally, using audio, visual aids, and recording one's own speech for self-evaluation is also suggested. The input hypothesis by creation also support this by suggesting that comprehensible input, example, listening to native speakers, help in accurate and pronunciation naturally. Third question, do you agree with saying that segmental and suprasegmental are different? If yes, explain why and what are the differences? Yes, I agree that segmental and suprasegmental features are different. Segmental sound refers to individual speech sound like consonant and vowels. Meanwhile, suprasegmental features, on the other hand, refer to elements such as stress, intonation, and rhythm that go beyond individual sound. According to Dr. Kaharudin, segmental aspects are concerned with what is said, while suprasegmental aspects are concerned with how it is said. For example, in the word record, to placement of stress change its meaning. Record as noun and record as noun and record as verb. This distinction show how suprasegmental features affect meaning at the sentence level. Fourth question, what do you think of this statement in that English pronunciation is very different from Indonesian pronunciation? To the best of your knowledge, what are the difference? English and Indonesian pronunciation are very different in several ways. English has more vowel and consonant sound compared to Indonesian. For example, English has 12 pure vowels and 8 diphthong, while Indonesian only has 6 pure vowels and no diphthongs. Also, English uses stress and intonation to convey meaning, while Indonesian is more syllable timed and flat in intonation. Dr. Kaharudin points out that Indonesian learners often find it difficult to produce certain English sound like in thing or sh in she, and to apply stress in intonation properly, leading to unnatural pronunciation. Fifth question: what do you know of suprasegmental sound? Explain your answer in detail and support it with a theory as well. Suprasegmental sound includes stress, intonation, rhythm, pitch, and length. These features are essential in making speech sound natural and meaningful. Dr. Kaharudin explained that suprasegmental features guide listeners to understand the speaker's intention, emotion, and emphasis. For example, rising intonation may indicate a question, while falling intonation may show a statement, where stress differentiate meaning and function. As seen in import noun versus import verb. These elements are crucial in spoken English because they influence the listener's comprehension beyond just the words being used. And last question: do you think that suprasegmental sound are problematic to Indonesian learners of English? And how do you explain the problems? Yes, suprasegmental sounds are often problematic for Indonesian learners of English. The main issue is that the Indonesian language does not rely heavily on stress, rhythm, or intonation to convey meaning. As a result, learners may speak English with a monotone voice, equal stress on syllables, and incorrect intonation patterns. Dr. Kaharudin highlights this challenge and suggests the use of pronunciation drills, shadowing technique, and listening to authentic English material to overcome it. According to the constructive analysis hypothesis, the greater the difference between two languages, the more difficulties learners will face. Thus, Indonesian learners must pay special attention to suprasegmental features when learning English. Okay, that's all explanation from me. I'm sorry for I have a mistake or error. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.